And you can hear the thunder, man. This is kind of serious. Wow, there's lightning everywhere. I'm standing back a little closer to my garage, but I'm gonna record some of this because this is the storm cell that's passing through. Thunder is just rumbling everywhere. It's getting really bad in that direction out there. And actually, this is kind of scary when you see it get clear like that. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Whoa! I'm gonna open my garage. I'm coming in! Woo! I'm getting wet. Okay. Now wow. Here it comes. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Holy cow, that's semi-tornadic. I don't know if you can see right here, but this is crazy swirling around. I'm inside my garage. Wow, I'm going inside because that is too scary.